If you're seeing battery drain on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, the good news is Samsung already gives built-in tools to protect battery health and stop unnecessary drain. Here are the 3 best working setups for One UI 8.5 devices. 1. Turn on battery protection, most important. This is the #1 setting to stop battery damage. Steps. Go to Settings, Device Care, Battery. Scroll down and tap Battery Protection. Choose 1. Basic. When your battery is charged to 100%, charging will stop until the battery level drops to 95%, and then charging will start again. Maximum, 85%, best for long-term battery life. Keeping the battery below 100% reduces stress and slows battery wear. Use power-saving mode when needed. Steps. Go to Settings, Device Care, Battery. Tap on Power Saving and toggle it on. Choose from Standard or Maximum. It will helpful too. Limits background apps and activity. Reduces brightness and CPU usage. This directly reduces battery drain. 3. Stop background running apps. Most battery drain is due to several apps running in the background. To stop apps running in the background, Settings, Device Care, Battery, Background Usage Limits. Here you need to put apps in. Sleeping apps. Apps run in the background only occasionally. Deep sleeping apps. Inactive in the background, they will become active when opened. If you want, I can give you the exact settings for max battery life for any Samsung phone. Please comment yes in the comment box. Thanks for watching.